from Monday. Court records show the truck driver
They just put on this thing.
derailed the passenger train is a convicted felon with a long history of traffic citations. John Devin Black was the truck driver.
Oh, it's just a special marine warning.
At least a dozen traffic violations, including speeding and driving with a revoked license. One of the most recent arrests was in 2012 in Illinois, where records show he was cited while hauling an overweight load. A bank in Farmville was robbed for the second time this year. Bank officials say the Southern Bank was robbed around 3 this afternoon. The North Carolina Bank Association is offering up to a $5,000 reward for any information that leads to an arrest. Now, coming up after the break on 9 of your side at 6, school administrators are proposing why teachers in Pitt County deserve a pay raise. Coming up, we'll explain after your first alert forecast.
And we're tracking a small cluster of severe thunderstorms pushing through the WNCT viewing area. We'll let you know where the storms are now, where they're headed next, and more importantly, when they go away for good.
Radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 12 miles north of Goose Creek State Park, or 12 miles northeast of River Road, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Washington, Williamston, Plymouth, River Road, Jamestown, Washington.
TVS is still there.
If a tornado or other severe weather is spotted, report it to the National
And the mezzo's back.
local authorities who will relay your report. This act may save the lives of others in the path of dangerous weather. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business.
We got 2 storms
Quickly, so do not drive into areas
under warnings right now.
the road. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service office in Newport. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Beaufort, Hyde, Martin, and Washington. Here are the following counties in North Carolina: Beaufort, Hyde, Martin, and Washington.
Here are the 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations across eastern North Carolina. At New Bern, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 82, and the relative humidity 39%. The wind was southwest at 9 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.05 inches and rising. At Cherry Point, it was cloudy.
That's not good.
The temperature was 71. The wind was south at 10 miles an hour. At Beaufort, fog was reported, reducing visibility to 1/2 of a mile. The temperature was 60. The wind was southwest at 15 miles an hour. At Jacksonville,
Now, with the nice weather we've seen the past few days, you might think about getting that garden started, but it may still be a little bit too soon for that. WNCT meteorologist Pierce Legion is in the Weather Center with all the details.
Yeah, Angela, spring fever has officially hit the east, and many are looking into ways of sprucing up their lawn and garden. And while it may be tempting to run out and buy some of the beautiful flowers and vegetable plants on display, like lettuce, cabbage, cauliflower, and carrots can survive.
It also just keeps rolling on this thing.
For vegetables like corn, beans, tomatoes, and peppers, you definitely want to wait until April 15th or later. Now, if you have done some early planting already, don't worry. Just pay attention to the forecast over the next few weeks, and when there is a threat for a frost, cover those plants up with a sheet, or better yet, bring those potted plants inside for the night. I'm meteorologist Pierce Legion, 9 on your side.
Good information, Pierce. Thank you. Some Hyde County teachers may see a big pay raise. The school system submitted a proposal to the General Assembly to fund pay increases for certain exceptional teachers. It's one of 75 plans sent in by school districts across the state proposing solutions
That's new.
in the classroom. School administrator Seth Brown says their proposal is unique from other districts because it's similar
Hail up
to
to
the
me.
exceptional teachers will be determined in part through their willingness to lead and mentor their colleagues. Governor Pat McCord set aside $15 million for the best plans, which the General Assembly will.
13.9 feet. Minor flooding is occurring, and minor flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 13.0 feet. Forecast. The river will continue rising to near 14.0 feet by this afternoon. The river is expected to fall below flood stage late Friday morning. Impact at 14.0 feet. Minor lowland flooding adjacent to the river can be expected. The National Weather Service.
71. The wind was south at 10 miles an hour. At Beaufort,
Two more games coming up tonight. NC State did 7 o'clock tip-off in that game, and then later on Virginia Tech and Miami, day 2 of the ACC basketball tournament. East Carolina back on the diamond this afternoon after a loss to Red Hot Campbell last night. Pirates and UNC Greensboro this afternoon. It's a big day for Travis Watkins. Watkins named today the Johnny Bench Award watch list for the 3rd straight year. Pirates trailed at 1-0. They tie it here. Luke Lowry with the drive to the warning track. That's a sac fly RBI. Pirates back in it. Pirates with a solid day on D. Score this one 4-6-3 on the double play for East Carolina. The big blow came in a 7-run 6th inning. Bases juice for Travis Watkins. Watkins with the grand slam. And a 45-minute weather delay. They're back at it right now.
This thing's pulsating right now.
East Carolina is 8-1. That came in the bottom of the 7th. We're back to 4 for you coming up after.
They're gonna go with the tornado warning with this? Nope. Needs to be that is some money. What?
Thing to get Sharon that they was pay the co-pays.
Okay.
The National Weather Service in Newport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Maine, Hyde County, and eastern North Carolina until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of reducing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 9 miles east of Belhaven, or 29 miles southeast of Plymouth, and moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Swan Quarter Ferry Terminal. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, heavy lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. To report severe weather, contact the National Weather Service by calling 1-800-889-6889 or your local authority who will relay your information when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.